Achieved approximately 186 monthly conversions with a CPA of just $15 for a cleaning business. Hello everyone, we are back again with another video, and this time it is on a success story for one of our client in a cleaning business. So let's discuss the client background. Our client offer a range of cleaning solutions from home cleaning to office sanitization. Their goal was to enhance their online presence and drive more bookings through targeted Google ad campaigns. In terms of client objective, the primary objectives were increase online bookings, improve brand awareness for their local area, optimize ad spend to ensure a high return on ads investment. Before we dive into the steps we took, let's talk about some of the challenges we faced during this campaign. High competition. The cleaning services market is competitive with many local businesses in the area. Budget constraint. We had a limited budget to work with, which meant we had to strategic about our ad spend. Thirdly, local targeting. It was crucial for our ads to reach the right audiences in the specific neighborhoods. Ad fatigue. Keeping the audiences engaged with fresh and appealing ads to avoid ad fatigue was essential strategy. To overcome these challenges, we implemented a strategic approach focused on targeted advertising, budget optimizations, and continuous improvements. Targeted advertising. Location targeting. We use precise location targeting to ensure our ads reach potential customers in specific neighborhoods and commercial areas. Secondly, demographic targeting. We refined our audiences based on demographics such as age group, income level, and household income. This allowed us to focus on households and business most likely to require cleaning services. So budget optimization. Performance monitoring. We continuously monitored ad performance matrices to identify which campaigns and keywords were delivering the best results. Secondly, automated bidding. We utilized automated bidding strategies to optimize bid for conversions, ensuring maximum efficiency in ad spend. Compelling ad copy. Dynamic ad copy to keep the audiences engaged. We regularly updated our ad creatives with new visuals and copy. Key selling points such as eco-friendly cleaning solutions, special discount, and fast response time were highlighted. Visual appeal. We used high quality images for cleaning homes and offices to create visual appealing ads. Ad scheduling. Peak times and hours. Ads were scheduled to run during peak times and hours when potential customers were most likely to search for cleaning services. Seasonal adjustments. We adjusted ad schedule to align with seasonal trends such as spring cleaning or end of year office cleanups to ensure increased demand during these periods. In terms of the results, after 3 months the results were impressive. We surpassed our goals and helped our client achieve remarkable growth. 45% in increase in online bookings, more potential customers found and booked services through our targeted campaigns. We achieved approximately 186 monthly conversions with a CPA of just $15, significantly boosting local brand awareness and increasing visibility in the local market. Improved engagement matrices, a 30% increase in CTR and 25% decrease in CPC. So in terms of conclusion, through a well-structured and data-driven Google ad campaigns, we successfully helped a client in the cleaning service industry achieve their lead generation goals at cost-effective rates. Our strategic approach combined with continuous monitoring and optimization ensured sustainable success in the highly competitive market. If you are looking to achieve similar success with your Google ad campaign, consider adopting these proven strategies to elevate your market efforts. If you have any PPC ads running in a similar niche, reach out for a free audit via the WhatsApp number on the top right. If you don't have PPC ads yet, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and location targeting for a tailored proposal. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more success stories and insight. Thank you.